Yeah, yeah. Metro on the beat, Metro on the beat.
Ella Metro on that beat.
Okay. You so fucking precious when you smile.
Okay, we're back. My car ran out of storage, so I had to refilm this intro for you. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hola all my YouTube viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Video Help. It's Asian Web. In today's wonderful video, I'm gonna be showing you how I slide my face. Do. With my updated everyday makeup routine. Okay, before I get started, I do not wear makeup every day, but on majority days I wear makeup because I like it, and sometimes I just think personally it make me look older than I'm actually young because I'm 16, but people still mistaking me as I'm 8 or 10 years old. Like, no, I'm 16 about to turn 17. Okay, like okay, so yeah, so that's what we're doing for today. Hope y'all like the hair. I kind of like it. I've been loving like doing curly bangs and like a ponytail. So if you want some natural hairstyles that you can wear and rock and look cute, I can do a video on that. Okay. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I love you guys so much, and I really want to grow our family so much. And I want to say thank you guys so much for 6.8k subscribers. It literally means the world to me, that the fact that we keep growing, and we keep growing so freaking much. And yeah, and if you are subscribed today, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. I actually post every Sunday, but since chair's over, I'm actually thinking about posting back twice a week, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so maybe I start doing that maybe next month. We'll see. So yeah, let's get right into the video. But beforehand, I also put that gold in my inner tear duct. I forgot to mention that in the video, so I'm mentioning that now because I was in a rush. So yeah, I think I have said enough. I'm gonna sip on my little Hardy cup, and yeah. Oh, by the way, all the products I use are stated in the video, and if I'm not lazy enough, I'll put them in the description box, but I probably won't, but maybe, but we'll see. Oh yeah, okay, so that's really it. I love you guys so much, sending it back, and I see you next Sunday. Bye. Okay, so I have y'all zoomed all the way in today. We gonna go ahead and get this everyday makeup routine started because it's highly requested, so I thought why not update it because it changed freaking lot. I already did my brows because I already posted an updated brow routine actually yesterday because it's actually the 19th. It's actually Monday when I'm posting this, filming this. So yeah, so I literally just posted it yesterday, so I will have the link up there on whichever side where the cards go so you guys can click it. So yeah, I did my eyes, I mean not my eyes, my eyebrows already. So I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and I like to apply this all over my face, and I actually use the e.l.f. foundation brush to apply this all over my face. So let's do that first. I'm back. I'm gonna edit that out. Okay, so now I'm gonna move into setting my eyes with concealer. So let's do that. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. I like to use this to for my eyes, and I also have the next shade up in dark because this is actually more of my skin tone. So sometimes I use this, and sometimes I will use this. It literally just all depends on how I'm feeling. But recently I just been using the medium tan one, so that is the shade I'm going to use, the medium / deep tan. And I like to blend this out with a beauty blender, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now that I have that blended in, I'm going to actually go in with my Modern Renaissance palette from ABH Cosmetics. I'm going to use this on my eyes. This would be a really cute thumbnail. So, the shade I'm actually going to be using is Raw Sienna. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I've really been putting a dent into Raw Sienna. This is the shade right here. It just really matches my skin complexion, and yeah, that's basically what I do every day. I do not use the brush that comes with it. Actually, I use the Wet n Wild crease brush and set this all over, but it's still kind of got some of that dark brown from Cyphus Umber on this. When I did my Valentine's Day makeup for school. So actually I haven't been using that. I have this like taper brush right here. I don't know how much of it you can see. It's like a taper brush that I got from Wish in this like makeup brush set. That's what it looks like. I don't know how much of that y'all can see. So I'll be using that, but I actually prefer to use this. I just haven't cleaned it, but for the video I'm going to use this because I did recently just clean it. But if I'm not using this brush, then I'm using that brush, and I literally just pat it up there and I go all the way up into my crease as well. So let's do that. Okay, and that's done. So yeah, next what I like to do is eyeliner, because that's really all I do. So I use two eyeliners for a reason. I like to use this e.l.f. felt tip liner because liquid liner trying to line all the way across always get on my eyelashes. Sorry, and it makes it a little hard to put mascara on. So I like to use this to just line across. And then I use the LA Colors Graphics eyeliner to do my wings. I do nice little wings. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. If you want in-depth tutorial on how I actually do my eyeliner and get a really nice wing, then give this video a thumbs up. And if it gets to 30 thumbs up, then I would do a tutorial on it. But I'm just going to go ahead and go in and do it. And my wing eyeliner is done. Oh, tip about wing eyeliner. You want to remember that they are sisters, not twins. Either sometimes they're cousins, okay? So I have to keep that in mind too, because sometimes I would sit there and keep doing it until I feel that it's 100% good. So yeah, now let's do concealer. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild Photos Focus Concealer in the shade Deep Dark Cocoa. It's called Dark Cocoa. And I'm going to conceal. And I like to get really underneath there and sharpen up my wings too, because yeah, it helps if you want a sharp wing. So don't be scared to get all in there. And I blend that out once again with my handy dandy beauty blender, and I use the bottom of it. Dab, dab, dab. Then I switch it like that, and when I'm trying to get underneath there, I get underneath there. Okay, and when I'm done blending out, I actually got the whole kit of just Urban Decay Ulta Beauty makeup. So I'm using this Ulta Beauty matte bronzer that came. Okay, my camera shut off, but and I use this to press it in there. So yeah. done with that. Okay, so the next step I like to do is highlighter. So, okay, I do a lot for highlighter, so let me go ahead and go run and get my other palette. And we're back. So, I like to do a lot for highlighter, but for a fact, these two I always do for highlighter together. This is the Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer from e.l.f. I use this. I always use this. If a bronzer is always too light, you can always use it as a highlighter, because bronzers and highlight, those are interchangeable. And then I've been loving to use the Peach Please Trio eyeshadow Jinx, and the first two quads up here, they're really light and I like to use those. Then depending if I want my highlight to be blinding, I would go in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I would use the shade Primavera right there because it's really blinding. Or if I want it to be all more natural and I'm feeling to be more like bronzy, more gold goddess-y, like if I'm wearing something simple, then I will go in my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I will go in with, it's kind of hard to show you. I will go in actually with this gold shade right there, but for the purpose of this video, I think I'm just gonna go in with the gold shade because that's personally what I've been doing recently. Okay, so I need to hurry up because I just forgot I'm going somewhere. So I use this foundation. It's a foundation brush, but I got it in my one of my makeup brushes I got for Christmas. So yeah, I'm going in with that Sun Kissed bronzer, and I use this on one side and then just go in with it, and I pat it on like that. See that glow? Now if I wanted just a simple glow, then this is all I would wear, but nah, I love my highlighter and I go all out with highlights. So now I switched the brush to the other side, and I'm going in with my two colors. And now I'm just gonna go in my palette and get that gold shade right here, because I'm going to be simple. Now if I'm wearing a poppin' outfit, then I would use Primavera, but Primavera is so freaking blinding, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. And adding this gold just sometimes like really brightens down the colors of my highlight and make it really more what's the word, wearable. So that's what I'm doing. And then sometimes if I have too much highlight, I would go in with my beauty blender and force down the highlight some. Now for my nose highlight, I go in with another foundation brush, but this is more flat, and this is from Wish, came in a set, and I just go in with those two colors from the e.l.f. Trio palette, and I just use that straight on my nose. Poppin' nose highlight. Then I go in with this brush. It's a lip brush, but I like to use it to go in with my highlight. I go in with that gold shade from my Morphe palette, and I put it right underneath my brows for a nice brow highlight. Sometimes if it's not blinding enough, I will add Primavera just a little bit, because I like really poppin' brow highlight. I don't know, I love highlight, y'all. I told y'all this. And now it's popping. Okay, I'm gonna set my face with my Calendar Color Pro Concealer Makeup Setting Spray. It's a matte finish. I'm going to spray this all over my face. I use a lot just because I be scared that like my makeup is going to rub off. So yeah. Okay. Then I go in with my kohl eyeliner from Wet n Wild High Definition something something. It's rubbing off, and I use the black one and I put that all on my waterline. I'm gonna try to do it on camera, but I gotta fit my eyes because I accidentally put myself in eye. Then I like to go in with my e.l.f. mascara with it. I think this is the volumizing defining one. I can't never remember. It's either that or the lengthening one. And I just put on mascara normal. Everybody knows put on mascara. Then now that I have my mascara on, I outline my lips with the Iris Color Touch of Heaven Outline Waterproof Mechanical Eyeliner Pencil. I line this. This is in the shade dark brown, and I line my lips. And once they're aligned, I add my lip gloss. Sometimes it changes. Sometimes I do red lip, but today I'm doing lip gloss. This is the Ultra Lip Mint Oil Lip Gloss from Broadway, and I'm putting that on right on top. This is what it looked like when I finish my makeup. Yes. Yes. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna come back and do the outro. So peace.
Yeah.